xtrons TD629A offers an experience unlike any other, on a car stereo unlike any other. Android 6.0 Marshmallow is the most advanced, intelligent, and fastest operating system in the in-car entertainment market. Smooth the user interface for complex, visually rich applications. Support for 64-bit games and apps like Chrome and Gmail. Via the RCA output function, external monitors can be connected to the unit to stream any type of video, applications, or images to the external monitor source to be enjoyed by all passengers. Equipped with a professional-grade core board, this unit offers a smooth and fast operating experience. The onboard 16G ROM allows you to download your favorite apps, such as navigation, games, videos, and much more. Supports various Android navigation software including iGo 8, Google, and more. Screen mirroring takes the things you want to do with your smartphone while driving and puts them right on your head unit. You can read messages, watch videos, play exciting games, and listen to music, all in a way that allows you to stay focused on the road. Just connect your phone and go. This unit has faster LTE download speeds with the built-in Wi-Fi. This unit also accepts an external 3G dongle. Connect your mobile phone via the built-in Bluetooth to enjoy hands-free calls. Access your phone book, call logs, search contacts information, make hands-free calls, display unanswered calls, and listen to Bluetooth music. Enjoy DAB radio in your car. Just connect the xtrons USB DAB radio receiver stick via the USB port. Take control of the music safely and concentrate on the road ahead. This unit can work with analog steering wheel controls.